Hello everybody, English Woodsman here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Most of all, thank you very much for clicking on my video. Now let's start this video off by telling people my accent is a deep Yorkshire accent, okay? I always get the comments, can't understand you. I'm from Yorkshire, so we have a deep, funny accent apparently. To me, I sound normal. Anyway, I've been looking on YouTube and I've been noticing a few YouTubers are making these Swedish torches or Swedish candles. Let's go with torches, yeah, the Swedish torches. And I've been thinking, last year I made one myself, but what I did, I drilled some holes through the middle of it. Yeah, I know, you're here. And then an hole through the centre of it to the join. And then I set fire to inside, and it took a long time. I abandoned that idea. Then, like I said, I've been watching some YouTube channels. You got the Russian Hacker, he's on a few of them. Lily Survival, Becky Outdoors, she's done one or two, I think. At least one. Shut up. So, I want to try it myself. So my friend has a wood chopping company. So I've been to get some perfectly nice chopped pieces from him. So what I need to do is, see in the centre there, I just need to open the other three up a little bit, just so I've got enough room to stash stuff in. And I picked myself some wire up, copper wire. And I'm just going to wrap this around the torch, you know, to keep it all together. I'm not far from civilization, people. This is a beautiful, small bit of woodland. You might be an ambulance in the background. I'm not far from home. To be truthful with you, I'm not going to make out like I've walked out into the middle of the forest or anywhere like that. I've just come to where there's a nice little bit of woodland, chill out for a few hours, just see how this goes. Right, I'm going to untangle all this and then I'll get back to you. Right, so we need to chop these off. I've just done it with this one here a little bit. I found a rusty old axe in my garden shed. I can't find my other one, so this one will do. It's still nice and sharp. Beautiful. Oh, it's powerful. Ninja. I think this one as well. That'll do for that one. That's gone flying off somewhere. That's what I did see. I can't remember whose channel it was. What it is, I did this on inside without wrecking it too much. There's something for the flame to catch. If you know whose channel it's off of, let me know, because I've totally forgotten the name. It was one of the women I watched, so that's Lily Survival or Becky Outdoors. One of them two did it. Go on then, who's first to comment about my axe skills? Someone will do it. There we go. Let's turn that one all the way around. Right. I'll start wrapping it up with some of this. Now I don't know where you can see this, But I've actually made a little hoop there. It's like a starting point. I've practiced doing this a few times. Well, you know, I haven't been recording it because it's so awkward to do without moving all the time. Got to keep moving it round and round, just so we got enough to where we need to be, solid, and then we can light it, and then we get a nice flame in the centre. Right, I think that'll be definitely holding it in place now. There we go. Right, so that end there doesn't look too bad. So what we need to start doing is stashing some stuff inside, else it can take flame to. Now that should take flame pretty well with a bit of luck. I think we put a bit too much in there, didn't we? There we go. Need to let that paper lift out a little bit. I've put a bit of air in it, I think. Beautiful. That is fantastic already. Look people, I know it's not a typical video of mine, but I just wanted to give it a try, see if I can do it this way, learn something new. And I think it's doing good. Let me know in comments below, please, how, if you think this is a good idea doing it this way. I've only watched a few videos. There we go. I'll kick back in a second. There we go. Right, I'll bring you back when it's burning a lot better. It's not doing too bad, is it? Do you hear the noise coming from it? It's more like a Swedish jet engine. My God, there's some right roar on that, isn't it? Looks good though, doesn't it? There's a few things that these are quite good for. You can put your frying pan on it if you want to do a bit of cooking. You can put your nesting on it, your cook pot to boil some water. I reckon this here could be burning for about an hour maybe. It's no difference to a campfire, is it? Because seriously, what is the difference from this to a campfire? It's on the ground, you're burning wood. Alright, it's probably a little bit more better to cook on and boil your water. But it's absolutely no difference. Is there? Apart from it's not too bad, is it, to be truthful? I don't even know why I'm sticking more wood in it. There's got a load of wood there to burn. Oh, that inside is glowing nicely. Best thing about this is and all, I don't have to go around looking for wood now, do I? I can just leave this to do what it's doing, set up my camp if I go camping, and that's going to burn for a while. I will take this copper wire back with me, if anybody asks. Let's try to get you close enough so you can see inside the fire. Look how beautiful that's inside, glowing away red. Look at that. Stop wall here without burning myself. Wow. That is doing brilliant. Right, so I'm doing a bit of freehand recording here for you. So I'm sorry if it's a bit wobbly. That's how it's starting to burn through the wood. Tell you what, still doing brilliant. This deserves a thumbs up, people. This does deserve a thumbs up. Just look at that. Right, so it's truly burning through now, but still, been going half an hour. Still not bad, is it? Just look at that, people. This is why I love YouTube. I can want to learn something, I go on and I learn it. It's a fantastic place to be. Look at that. I know I keep saying it, look at that, but I love learning stuff and coming out trying to do it. And when it turns out as good as this, I'm always happy. Just watch how red it glows. The heat is brilliant all the way around it. It's fantastic. Oh yes. Right, so it don't look too bad. Now the audience centre's getting bigger, it's just becoming like a, you know, it's just all burning, not like it were at the beginning, but that was going to happen. Remember, we're burning it from inside out, aren't we? So it was going to happen. Yeah, the gaps are well open now, aren't they? Still not bad. Still kicking out some beautiful heat. Look at that. Right, people, I'm going to get off now, stop recording. I'm just going to sit here for about another half an hour, let this die down a lot more. Starting to lose daylight, so it's coming in dark pretty quick now, doesn't it? It's time of year. Nearly December, almost Christmas. But yeah, I'm not going to record much more. We've seen it working. It's a brilliant thing to do. It's a bit tricky at the beginning, you know, to get it going. But once it's lit, and it's lit inside, it's beautiful. So if you like this and you want to see more videos, things what I learn like this, or camping, or what to do with all else, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you later on for another video.